guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry tanghulu. If you don't know what is tanghulu is a traditional Chinese treat consisting to dip some fruit in some caramel. So if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. And now if you're ready to learn how to make strawberry tanghulu, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, so for our strawberry tanghulu, we're gonna of course need some strawberries, 2 cups of white sugar, and 1 cup of water. Okay, so to start, we're gonna make sure our strawberry are washed. Okay, after our strawberry are completely washed, we're gonna now remove the leaves. Just like that. Make sure the leaves are removed. Okay, so after remove our leaves, we're gonna make sure our strawberry are completely dry. So with a kitchen towel, we're gonna make sure we dry our strawberries. Okay, so now we have our strawberry completely dry. So now it's time to put them on a stick. So this is our sticks. And we're gonna make sure we put the stick right at the bottom, just like that. So we put this stick to make sure it's easy for us to dip the strawberry in the sugar mixture. So we're gonna continue putting the stick to the remaining strawberries. Okay, so we have the strawberry on the sticks. We're gonna set it aside and start working on our sugar mixture. Okay, so we already worked on our strawberry and we set it aside. So now it's time to work on our sugar mixture. So in a medium saucepan, we're gonna add in our 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Okay, once you put your sugar and the water in the pan, make sure you don't stir that. You just can give it a quick shake to get your mixture together, and then you place your pan on a high heat until it comes to a simmer, and then you're going to reduce the fire on low. Okay, so we've been cooking our sugar mixture for about 10 minutes. So now it's time to test it. We're gonna use the thermometer and check if the temperature reaches 300 degrees. So now it's time to dip our strawberries. Or you can also use a stick. You put the stick inside and you dip it in ice cold water. Once the sugar crystallizes, it means it's time to dip it. In our case, the sugar crystallized, so now it's time to dip our strawberries. So we're gonna go ahead and dip the strawberry, just like that. And we're gonna let the excess sugar drip off. And we're gonna dip it in our ice cold water. The reason why we dip in ice cold water is because we want the sugar to crystallize right away. So we're gonna just dip it in ice cold water. And here we go, we have our strawberry tanghulu. So we're gonna set it aside and dip the remaining strawberries. You grab your sugar mixture, just like that. You grab a strawberry, and then you just go ahead and put it in, turning it around until the sugar covers the whole strawberry, just like that. To make sure the sugar crystallizes really quick around the strawberry, we're just gonna go ahead and dip it in ice cold water. So this is my ice cold water, and then we dip it in, and then we have our sugar completely crystallized, and we have our strawberry tanghulu ready to go. Wow, so I just tried one of my strawberry tanghulu. It was very delicious and crazy good. So I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. Okay, so this is it for today's video. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of those beautiful videos. And see you next time for a nice and beautiful tutorial. Peace.